Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Klarna on H&M. So it's pretty easy. So you can do this either through the Klarna app or through the H&M app. I'll use H&M app because it's pretty easy to shop using the app. So I'll just use the H&M app. So you can get this app from your Play Store or your Apple Store. So that's fine. So just download the app, and then once you can log into your account. If you want to, you can create an account, and then what you can do, you can just simply browse any of these item here, and then simply add it to your cart. For example here, so simply add to your cart. So what you can do, you can click on any item that you wish to buy, and then hit on add. So that will be added to your cart. So once you add it to your cart, you can continue with your checkout options here. So for example here, I just use this just for demo. So what I'm going to do, I've selected this item here. I'm going to continue to check out. So when I continue to check out, so once I get to this checkout page here, as I said, you can enter this information. If you have an account, you don't have to. Otherwise, you just have to fill in your address and phone number, all those details. And then now, when you get to payment, click on payment option, and here you'll see the Klarna option here, because H&M is integrated with Klarna, so you should see the Klarna option. So all you have to do is, instead of card or pay or other methods, just choose Klarna method. All right, so just choose Klarna, and then what you're going to do is just proceed with your payment and complete the order. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.